Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. The title of this lecture is what is the dot product of unit vectors. Now, first we want to discuss dot product for two general vectors. We know that dot product A dot B is equal to magnitude of first vector, magnitude of the second vector, cos theta. This is the magnitude. Now, if A and B both are unit vectors, then this equation 1 becomes A dot B is equal to cos theta. Because if vector A and B are unit vectors, then their magnitude A magnitude and B magnitude will be equal to 1. Now let's suppose this is equation 2. Now if theta is 0, then dot product will be equal to 1. If theta is equal to 90 degree, then dot product between two unit vector will be equal to 0, because cos 90 is equal to 0. Now if theta is 180 degree, then dot product A dot B will be equal to -1, because cos 180 degree is equal to -1. So this implies that A dot B, if A and B are unit vector less or unequal to 1 and greater or unequal to -1. So this means that the range of dot product when A and B are unit vector will be from -1 to 1. Now consider vector I, J and K. We know that if we consider x, y, z coordinate system, this is x axis, this is y axis, and this is z axis. Now we know that unit vector along x axis is I, unit vector along y axis is j, and unit vector along z axis will be k. Now I dot j will be equal to magnitude of I, this is 1, magnitude of j cos 90 degree, because all three unit vectors I, j, k mutually perpendicular to each other. Now this is equal to 0 because cos 90 is equal to 0. Now if this implies that j dot I will also be equal to 0 because commutative property hold and dot are scalar product. Now j dot k similarly will be equal to 0. Also k dot j will be equal to 0. Similarly I dot k will be 0, means k dot I will be 0 because of the commutative property. Similarly, this means that the dot product of I with j, j with k and k with I will be equal to 0. Now conclusion. We concluded that I dot j is equal to 0, j dot I will be equal to 0, j dot k and k dot j will be equal to 0. Now if two unit vectors are similar, for example, consider I dot I, then this will be equal to 1, 1 cos 0, so this is equal to 1. Now j dot j will be equal to 1. Similarly, k dot k will be equal to 1. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel for more informative videos.